Welcome to our channel. Today, we're breaking down how you can qualify for UnitedHealthcare family plans step by step, simple and easy to follow. Step 1. Understand the type of family plans. UnitedHealthcare offers individual and family health insurance plans through the ACA Health Insurance Marketplace. These plans are designed for individuals and families who need coverage and may also qualify for premium subsidies based on income. Step 2. Check plan availability in your state. First, make sure UnitedHealthcare family plans are offered in your state. Coverage areas change from year to year, and UnitedHealthcare has expanded its offerings in many states. Step 3. Determine your eligibility. You can apply for a family plan if you live in a state where the plans are offered and you are applying for coverage for yourself plus eligible family members, spouse, and children. There are no health questions or medical underwriting for ACA Marketplace plans, so pre-existing conditions won't block your eligibility. Step 4. Estimate your income for subsidies. Your household income and family size determine whether you qualify for premium tax credits or cost-sharing reductions, which can make the plan much more affordable. This is done through the Marketplace application. Step 5. Apply during open enrollment or a special enrollment period. Visit the Health Insurance Marketplace, healthcare.gov, or UnitedHealthcare's exchange site to apply. Open enrollment usually runs from November 1st to January 15th each year, but qualifying life events like marriage or having a baby can trigger a special enrollment period outside these dates. Step 6. Add your family members. When filling out the application, include your spouse and dependent children, typically up to age 26, as part of your family coverage. Make sure all personal and income information is accurate. Step 7. Choose your plan and submit. Once eligibility and subsidies are calculated, compare plan options and select the one that fits your family's needs. Complete the enrollment and pay your first premium to activate coverage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.